Okay, so hello everyone. I think I'm live now. Please let me know if you are able to hear me or you are able to see me. Okay, so let me know if I'm live now. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me and see me? Just let me know. Okay. So basically, many people have many doubt with respect to examination that negative marking is there or not. You will get calculator or not. A rough paper you will get or not. Timer will be there in the examination or not, right? And then can you visit the if it is adaptive paper or non-adaptive paper, okay, and what you should not do in the examination, what you have to get to the examination center. So each and everything we are going to talk in this video, so you can ask your queries, right? So today you can ask your queries, and definitely this is a query session only, so you can ask your queries, right? So you can ask your queries, and we will wait for another 2 minutes, and then we will start with the session, okay? So all the questions what you had asked me earlier, I am going to answer here, right? So first, please like the video, fatafat. So do like the video, and then you can start asking your queries. When admit card released for free NQT? So generally admit card should come by tomorrow, okay? So you can expect the admit card by tomorrow, right? So by tomorrow you can expect the admit card. So Jan 15 hall ticket not yet received, sir. So please wait for tomorrow. Aptitude test is easy. It's not very easy, okay? So it is not very easy. So you'll have to prepare, right? Okay. Now friends, the first thing which I wanted to tell you, so as you all are aware, TCS Smart Hiring, you will be getting around 14 to 15K in hand, 2.2 lakhs package, okay? 2.2 lakhs will be the package for your TCS Smart Hiring, okay? Now, rough paper will be provided, so I will tell you about the rough paper and all those things, don't worry. So please do like the video fatafat. So do like the video, and then we will talk more about that, okay? So each and every queries per question. See all the queries I have written here and I am going to answer. Okay, don't worry. So each and every questions will be answered from both the video, right? Okay, 195 minutes exam time, right? So we will discuss now. So friend, the first thing, so either you are going to write the TCS NQT examination or TCS Smart Hiring, any of the exam, okay? So there is no negative marking. There is no negative marking. That means you have to attempt all the question. Please attempt all the question. Please attempt all the question because there is no negative marking, right? So if you are not able to solve, tick guess all the answers, right? But guess smartly. Guess all the answers because there is no negative marking, okay? So there is no negative marking, that should be clear, okay? Now friends, you will get on screen calculator. So this will be a normal calculator, not a scientific calculator. Please keep that in mind. You will be getting normal calculator. That means you can only do calculations, right? So if you have 13654 into 3426 divided by 5, then you will be able to do this kind of calculation. Or with respect to decimals, you will be able to do. You will not be able to solve 3.4 bar, 0.433 bar. So this kind of problems you will not be able to solve. Okay, now, so timer, no per question timer, okay? So there will be no per question timer, okay? So section wise timing will be there. Section wise you will be getting timer, but per question timer will not be there. Per question timer, see, this is the facts based on the previous year examination. So the last year exam was conducted, you can see here. So February 3rd, last year it was conducted on 3rd of February 2023, and this year the exam is on 13th of January 2023, right? Okay, so friends, timer, no per question timer will be there. So you will be getting a complete, right? So you will be getting a complete timer, section wise timer basically. So you will be getting section wise timer. So you will be getting section wise timer. Okay, so do like the video friends. So do like the video. Okay, so I'm see there are so many people watching, but not even people are considering to like the video. We are putting so much effort coming live, solving your queries. Okay, so timer, no per question timer, and there will be in center examination, right? So there will be in center examination will be there. if we'll talk about the total question, so friends, TCS Smart Hiring, basically they have now given 50 minutes, right? So we are assuming there will be a change in the pattern. So we are assuming there will be a change in the pattern. So either this particular pattern, so this is the first pattern, either you can get 45 question to solve in 50 minutes, or you will be getting 80 question to solve in 50 minutes. This is for TCS Smart Hiring 2023-2024 batch, right? So this is for 2023-2024 batch. And if we'll talk about TCS NQT hiring, then it is already, right? So total duration in the time is there, and the total number of question is already given by TCS NQT, right? Section wise time, sir, section wise timer, yes, section wise timer will be there, no? See, for numerical ability, you will get 25 minutes. For verbal ability, you will be getting 25 minutes. For reasoning ability, you will be getting 25 minutes. So section wise timer will be there, okay? So section wise timer will be there. Please like the video. I will solve all your queries. Please like the video. So we will be solving all your queries. Please like the video and invite your friends, okay? So that no one will be having any queries. Friends, when you are going for exam, make sure that you have the admit card, okay? Better get color printout, okay? So make sure you have the admit card, one government ID proof. So better you take Aadhaar card. So better you take Aadhaar card and keep two photos. And these two photos, no. So whatever is there in the application form, right? So when you filled the application form, right? So that time whatever photos were there, try to take that photo, right? So try to take that photos. Try to take that photos. Okay. Now, friends, one very important things I wanted to tell you. Please do not click on any other browser. Okay, please do not, we will talk about cutoff, so others please wait, one by one we will talk. So please do not click on any other browser. Please do not try to click on any other browser, otherwise you will be out from exam. Your exam will end, and then nothing can be done, and then nothing can be done. Exam will end if you will try to switch between the browser. Okay, so if you try to switch between the browser, then your exam will end. Okay, now friends, this year the paper will be non-adaptive. Okay, so this year the paper might be non-adaptive. That means, so it's not like, you will be having first simple question and then slowly it will becoming difficult. So the paper will be of same level. So the paper will be of, the question will be of same level. Okay, the question will be of same level, so you do not have to worry. Section switching is not allowed, right? Section, so you are in aptitude and then you are switching to English verbal ability and then you are switching to reasoning. No, section wise switching is not allowed. Okay, applicants are allowed to revisit questions that they have already been answered. Friends, this year, actually last year it was not there, but this year we are, so this year we are expecting that applicants are allowed to revisit. So you will be able to revisit the question anyway. You just look at, so once you start your examination, so just check if you are allowed to revisit the questions that have been already been answered. Okay, now, so these are the important points which I wanted to tell you. I will repeat once more. Okay, now, so if we talk about the cutoff, friends, generally, right? So generally section wise cutoff will be there, right? So generally section wise cutoff will be there, right? So every section you have to perform well. So section wise cutoff will be there. Now, so somebody will ask, according to the number of question, sir, how many questions minimum we should solve? See, it totally depends upon the difficulty level of the paper. It totally depends upon the difficulty level of the paper. If the paper is difficult, okay, then you will be able to solve less number of question. If the paper is easy, then you will be able to solve more number of question. You will be able to solve more number of question. So I cannot say how many questions you should attempt in the examination. See, you have to attempt as much as possible. See, if I say out of 80 question, attempt only 30 question. What if you are able to solve 50 question, right? So that you have to decide in the examination. Okay, 90 minutes coding, sir. Okay, so 90 minutes is the, yes. So here basically 90 minutes is the coding, right? So the coding is changed. Yes. So the coding, so there is a small change in the TCS NQT hiring. Okay, no problem. Okay, see, forget about the pattern right now. Now, friends, here rough paper. So you will be getting two rough paper in the examination. So rough paper you will get two in center, right? So in center they will be giving you two rough papers, right? So in center, you will be able to get two rough paper here. It's already mentioned. So rough paper you will get two in the center. Okay. So two rough paper you will be getting. They will provide. Okay. See, they might change it to. So this year you might see that. Okay. So on screen calculator and maybe on screen rough paper also you can get, right? So on screen rough paper also you can get it, right? And many of you might not have received, so many of you might not have received the examination hall ticket, right? Exam hall ticket. So that's because if you're not selected, you will not be getting the admit card. Can you please like the video? Can you please like the video? Because we are really putting a lot of effort, friends, and we are just expecting a like from your side, nothing else, right? So all your queries will be resolved in this video. Okay. Now, so one more time, I will repeat these things. Regarding coding section, if it was 90 minutes, then there may be more than two coding question. See, that is, I mean, they will be asking two coding questions only. They won't ask you more than that. So Hemasri, so two questions will be only, one simple and one difficult questions will be asked. Okay. So friends, don't forget to take your admit card. So please take your admit card. Okay, once again. So please take your admit card. Okay, admit card and then government ID proof. Okay, don't forget. So don't forget your government ID proof. So preferably Aadhaar card you take. Preferably Aadhaar card you take. Okay. And photo you take whatever you have put in the application form. So that photo only you take, right? So whatever you have put in the application form, no, that only you try to take that photo. Okay. What about dress code? There is no dress code, man. So there is no dress code. You are not going for interview. You are going for a written test. So there is no dress code, right? Friends, don't do anything like switching browser and all. Otherwise, your exam will end. Be very careful. So I am telling you again and again because these things you have to avoid in the examination. Please do not do anything like switching browser and all. Your examination will end. Okay. And section wise, section switching is not allowed. You will not be able to switch from one section to other section. Okay. But you might revisit the questions that have been already answered. Suppose question number 15 you answered, okay, and then again you went to question number 18. So there is a possibility that you will be able to revisit the question again, right? How to get TCS Ninja, sir? See, is it possible that same student can apply for a smart hiring? And what? So guys, please do like the session. So instead of this free information, we just want one like so that we feel that okay, that is your support and we are supporting. From out of 1800, what marks should we get to interview call from TCS? See friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell. So either TCS smart hiring or ninja, so there will be percentile. Okay, so there will be percentile. Okay, percentile. So it will not be percentage, it will not be percentage. So if TCS NQT is for 1800 marks, then people will generally tell you get 80%, 80%, and then you will be, so that means 1440, then you will be selected. But this is wrong. It is a percentile. Now suppose the topper is able to score only 1500. So the topper, so the maximum mark somebody scored is 1500, then you will have to get 80%, that is nothing but 1200, right? So generally, see, you are very safe if, right, your percentile is 80%. So you are very safe if your percentile is 80%, right? So percentage and percentile are different. Don't get confused. Don't listen everyone. Okay. No, you cannot take your mobile phone inside, right? So no, you can take mobile phone inside. They will tell you where to. So you cannot take mobile phone inside, but they will tell you the place where you can submit it. Okay. So cannot take inside the exam hall, but they will tell you the locker. Okay. So where to put. So they will charge you some 20-30 rupees and you can put your mobile in a locker. Okay, so you can put your mobile in a locket. Don't take laptop, no laptop taking and all. Please do not take laptop in the examination center. They will give you the desktop. So what about question difficulty? Question difficulty we will come to know only tomorrow when we have examination. Don't take laptop. Okay, if we give TCS smart hiring, then we cannot give TCS NQT. No, so you TCS smart, you have to give only one. Okay, if possible the same student can sit in a smart hiring, no, please don't. If the digital paper is provided, how to do rough work? So if the digital paper will be provided, right, then you'll have to use your cursor, right? So cursor will be there, mouse. So with the help of mouse only you will have to do the calculation. But I expect they will be giving you rough paper, two rough paper they will be giving you. And what you can do, you can bring you can take two white paper with you, right? So just put in your pocket, okay? So just put that rough paper in your pocket and try to use it smartly, okay? So that you can use it. Just go and put it below the below somewhere monitor and all white paper, and then you can use it for your exam. Don't take laptop to the exam. Laptop you don't take to the exam, okay? Mobile you can submit it there. Sir, what happened when we cannot perform well in TCS Smart Hiring BSc? So if you are not able to perform well in this TCS Smart Hiring, then you'll have to look for the other examination. Then you'll have to look for the other examination, okay? Fine. So once again, I'm telling you, friends, so those who joined late, first of all, please do like the session. I'm just expecting one like from you. Nothing else is expected here. There is no negative marking. Okay. There is no negative marking. Please solve all the question. Please mark answer of all the question. Please mark answer of all the question. I'm repeating of all the question. Okay. You will get on screen simple calculator. Don't expect scientific calculator. Don't expect scientific calculator. We will be getting, okay, so we will be getting normal calculator. Rough paper they might provide you two, okay? Another two you please take with you. Timer, there is no per question timer in center examination are there. Facts are based on the previous pattern. Now, so TCS NQT, we must pass test cases, right? So for TCS NQT, in the advanced coding section, at least one test case you should pass, okay? At least one test case you should pass. For Ninja there will not be any coding, right? So for Ninja there will not be any coding. Fine. Okay, fine. Now, sir, what if you good on reasoning and verbal ability but not in aptitude? You have to be good in every three. At least you have to solve few questions. See, aptitude you have to solve at least few questions. When free TCS NQT hiring will take place for off campus? It is expected to take place in Feb or March, okay? TCS free NQT, TCS free NQT for off campus, it might take in February end or March first week. Sir, question is hard or medium? Question will be medium, okay? For smart hiring the question will be medium, okay? And for NQT the question will be of good level. The question will be of good level, okay? Fine. How many students will be participating for TCS Smart Hiring based upon in 2023? So there is no data for 2023 that how many students had taken the examination in 2023. So there is no data, at least with me. I don't want to lie for you, right? How much time will given for each section in TCS Smart Hiring? See, TCS Smart Hiring, there might be two pattern. So pattern number one, so either you can get this or pattern number two, or you will be getting this, right? So pattern number one you will be getting this, and pattern number two you will be getting this. So time is fixed, only 50 minutes, okay? Now the only difference will be either you will get total 45 questions or you will get 80 questions. So this is my expectations, okay? So this is what I am expecting. So this is what I am expecting this year, because they have not given any particular pattern of the number of question, right? If I did not qualify this test, can I apply for Feb test? So yes. So off campus when it comes you can apply. So off campus if it comes then you can apply, okay? So that cooling period will be there. Sir, part A and part B to be organized on the same day. Yes, part A and part B will be organized in the same day for TCS NQT, right? So for TCS NQT it will be on the same day, right? So it will be on the same day. Fine. Can we get to solve both sections or only one who qualified? So basically, see, you don't think about qualifying section 1 and section 2, right? So first you be prepared for the section 1, okay? And parallelly you prepare for section 2 also, friends, okay? Don't get you guys are quite confused, right? So first you need to understand that, okay, so what basically you are going to do and what you have to do, right? So sir, free NQT form kab tak aayega? See, free NQT form, no? So free NQT form we can expect in Feb end or March, right? Or March, right? So here, so for TCS NQT there is a update here in the advanced section, but forget about our advanced section. See, numerical ability for 20 question you will be getting 25 minutes, so little more than 1 minute, right? So little more than 1 minute. Okay, and verbal ability, so again 1 minute for verbal ability and and verbal ability 1 minute, and reasoning ability, so 25 minutes, again more than 1 minute you will be getting for reasoning ability. So how, sir, how we will use calculator in the exam? See, actually there will be on screen calculator, like if you go and search here calculator, so I will tell you, right? So basically there will be on screen calculator. So let me tell you the example basically. Okay, so on the corner of the screen you will be getting a calculator, so whatever calculation you are getting, no, same thing you'll have to do, like 7 why I'm not able to type your calculation and result appear here too, so that you can. Okay, so here 789, and basically it's hidden. Okay, so basically it's hidden, and then you divide it by 9. So like this you'll have to do the calculation, man, in the examination, right? So this kind of like on screen calculator will be there, so where you'll have to do the on screen calculator in the examination, right? Okay, so one more time before I go ahead, I will tell you. Okay, so whatever it is NQT or smart hiring, please keep this thing in mind. But before that, please do like the sessions, friend. So see, instead of this free session, we are telling you please like the session, so we get more motivation, right? So there is no negative marking. So please solve all the question. I'm repeating here, please solve all the question. You will get on screen normal calculator, rough paper you will get in 2 in exam center, timer, no per question timer, like this is based on the last year pattern, and in center examination are there. Admit card, please paste your photo here, and also take 2 photos for the examination. Okay, so admit card you take, okay, print out, basically take color print out. Government ID card, so once again, so please take Aadhaar card if you have, and 2 photos you take, right? 2 photos you take. Yes, so part 1 and part 2 will be organized in one this thing. So it's not necessary to pass part B. Part A, if you are passing, then TCS NQT, you will be called for interview. Don't do any tab switching. Okay, don't do any tab switching in the examination. Okay, so please don't switch any tab. Don't switch any tab in the examination. Okay, because see, if you're trying to switch the tab, no, then your exam will automatically be closed. Okay, so your exam will be automatically be closed, so please do not do that. Don't talk to anyone in the exam. So when you are sitting in the exam, please don't talk, because there also it will be monitored, AI proctored examination, so please don't do anything. Non-adaptive paper, that means your questions will be of same level. Your questions will be of same level. Section switching is not allowed, but you will be able to revisit the question. So if you have attempted 15th one, and if you are on the 19th question, then you will be able to revisit and maybe change the answer, so that will be there. Okay, can you please like the session, friends, fast? Can you please like the session? I wanted maximum people to get benefited with these free sessions. Again, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, daily we are conducting the live session. Can we switch between the question in a section? Yes. So see, last year it was not there. I'm sorry. So last year it was not there, but this year they are expecting that you will be able to revisit the question, right? So last year it was not there, but this year they are expecting to revisit the questions that has been already answered. Okay, so last year it was not there, but this year they're expecting. Any other doubt? Can you please hit like? Can you please hit a like, so that I can keep solving your questions? I can keep answering your questions. Please, can you please hit a like? Okay. So same syllabus and test pattern for both on and off campus. Yes. So same syllabus or same pattern. Yes, same syllabus and same pattern you can expect for the all on campus and off campus as well, right? Okay. So please do not talk to anyone in the exam hall. So once you go and sit, see, your examination will be happening on IO and digital, right? And one more thing, friends, which I wanted to tell you. So first it will be biometric, right? So once you go, then biometric will be there, right? So biometric. So you will have to this your finger, right? So they will take your finger scan, and then they will be taking your photo, right? So then they will be taking your photo. So it will be biometric. So once you reached on ION or digital, so please reach at least 45 minutes before. Please reach 45 minutes before. So please reach. I will add it here. So so please reach 45 minutes before, right? So please reach to the center 45 minutes before, right? 45 minutes before. So your first section might be reasoning. Okay. Okay. Yes, so both on campus and off campus, there will be same test pattern, and your examination will be happening in the one day. Okay, so please reach 45 minutes before, but because they will be doing the biometric, and then they will be clicking your photos, they will be verifying your admit card, right? So I request all of you to please reach 45 minutes before, because last year they had not allowed many people to enter to the this thing, right? Okay, did you like the video? Come on, fast. Did you like the video, friends? प्लीज लाइक द सेशन एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन एंड अगेन. सर ये तुरंत ही पता चल जाएगा क्या कि हमारे एप्टीट्यूड क्लियर हो जाएगा? नो. सो फॉर स्मार्ट हायरिंग you will be getting the result, all right? So within 15 days, so you can expect your results within 15 to 20 days. You will be expecting the result, right? So you will be expecting the result within like 15 to 20 days, right? So non-adaptive paper, any other doubt, sir? Or sir, second section कौन सा होगा? See, generally it will be like last year if you'll see. So generally it will be reasoning, verbal ability, and then we will be having aptitude, right? So but let us see. So only these three sections are there. So these three will be keep rotating, right? Latest, how many times you are asking, man? Yes, same syllabus and same pattern should be there for off campus and on campus both, right? Okay, so on campus both, right? Okay, so one once again, see, you might be able to revisit the question. So you might be able to revisit the questions that have been already answered. Okay, section switching will not be allowed. There will be non-adaptive paper will be there, and don't do anything like switching browser and all. You will be out from the exam. Don't open any other browser, right? So as I said, so see here, if your exam is going on, so don't try to click here or somewhere or anywhere, otherwise your exam will end. And don't talk to your neighbors, because this is a AI proctored examination. So even though you travel so much, you reach there, and then so last moment tips is there. So last minute tips, what you do, right? So last minute tips is there. Now just recall the formulas, right? So just recall the formulas. So just recall the formulas and sleep peacefully, right? So in aptitude we have lot more formulas, right? So lots of formulas are there. So lots of formulas are there. So just try, like compound interest formula is there, selling price formula is there, right? So all these formulas, no, and percentage, average, so average formulas are there, right? So then we have ratio, proportion, there is no formula, simple and compound interest formula, and then from statistics, right? So just go through the formulas only. So at this last moment I would like to tell you, so just go through the formulas, important formulas, so that you do not forget any formula in the examination. More than that nothing can be done. Okay, so 80 questions honge ya 60 questions? See, regarding the question, no one knows, right? So this is the expected pattern which I said. So either you will be getting same question, or you will be getting 45 questions, or you might get 60 questions also, right? So we don't know the exact like how many questions will be there, but what you have to do is, okay, so what you have to do is you have to perform well, solve as many questions as you can, right? So solve as many, so solve as many questions as possible. Okay, once tell patterns are in it's 2 hours, right? Okay, so top three important topics for number ability. Number ability, what is this? I am not able to Sachin. So what is the top three important topic for number ability? Okay, see now, coding, important question for TCS advanced coding, right? So latest that has been covered as part of the the TCS course. Like if you go here, so that's what we have released the crash course, right? So that's what we had released the crash course for TCS NQT. So here you can see like all the advanced, like, so the programming videos, right? So you can see here. So this is TCS specific coding crash course is there, where all the videos, important videos. So first important one, right? Concept with problems. So we have covered all the important problems here. So which was expected in the examination. So you can get it now also. The link you can find in the description, right? Okay. So anyway, so last but not the least, I will just repeat and then I will take off from the session. my dear friends. So right now, don't stress yourself, just read the formulas. Okay, so just read the formulas of maths and sleep peacefully. There is no negative marking, so please solve all the questions. So try to solve all questions. Okay, you will get on screen normal calculator, use that for any kind of calculation. Rough paper you will get two you take along with you, two you take along with you in your pocket. There is no per question timer, so don't worry about that. सी मिस्टर इंट्रोवर्ट इन सेंटर एग्जाम, सो सेलेक्ट होने के लिए ऑलमोस्ट कितने क्वेश्चन करेक्ट होना चाहिए, इसका जवाब कोई नहीं दे सकता है, क्योंकि अगर क्वेश्चन हल्का हुआ, मान लो 100 questions you have, right? Okay, suppose 100 questions. Now if the question is tough, then you will be able to do 40 question. If the question is easy, you will be able to do 80 question. I cannot tell you how many questions you do so that you will be able to clear the exam, no, right? Facts are based on the previous year examination. Okay, I hope you like the video. Can you please like the video, friends? Can you please like the video? We are taking so much time and effort for you all, right? Okay, so आपको, you can revisit the question which you have already answered. Last year it was not there, this year this is a possibility. Okay, now, and then section switching is not allowed. Non-adaptive paper questions will be of same level, it will not change. Don't do anything like tab switching and all, exam will end. Don't talk to your neighbor. Admit card, Aadhaar card and two photos, and reach to the center 45 minutes before. So in mock test, the question wise timer, forget about mock test. So we are talking about the last year also it was same thing. So these are the fact based on the previous year examination. So if it is, see, whatever comes, it will come for everyone. So one thing before I go, I wanted to tell you. So my dear friends, please keep that in mind. Okay, so my dear friends, if the paper is going to be tough, right? So if the paper is going to be tough, it will be for everyone, right? It will be for everyone. Okay, if some rule is going to be introduced, it is for everyone. Think that and then go and write the examination, nothing will happen, right? So Aadhaar card original you take, if you Aadhaar card original Aadhaar card, original Aadhaar card which you have. Okay, so tough, it will be for everyone. If it is easy, it will be for everyone. Don't take any tension, go with very cool mind. Whatever preparation you had to do, you have already done. Now you do not have to worry. Please just go. Think that if the paper is tough, it is for everyone. If the paper is going to be easy, for everyone. If the timer will be there, it will be for everyone. If the timer will not be there, it will not be there for everyone, right? So you have same competition everywhere. Do not have to worry. Okay, you have given your best, we have done our best, and now just go tomorrow and attempt the examination. And all the very best for NQT and smart hiring, right? So all the very best, my dear friends, all the very best. And tomorrow we will again discuss on how was the exam. So all the very best, just do well in the examination. So all the very best, just do well and come back. So all the very best, just do well and come back. Okay, so all the very best from online study for you. Just do well and come back, and we will meet again tomorrow at the same time, right? So all the very best, just do well. Thank you, take care, and all the very best. We will meet tomorrow again live. Take care, bye bye.